Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Sibongile and the Dlaminis are actually going to be having new faces that are going to be joining the show. One being the iconic, famous Umama Thembi Mtshali Jones, and the second also being Umuzi Mtabela. Now we know, guys, these two people are phenomenal actors. So Unomfundo, so how these characters are actually going to enter the scene. Unomfundo is stuck in a love limbo with her married baby daddy Unjengaye Dlamini. She's itching to take things further, but he's hesitant. So basically Umuzi, he's going to be playing a role called Olisi Xaba, and he is a widower looking for new love, and he's got his eyes set on Unomfundo. So Olisi isn't afraid to throw things down if it means getting what he wants, and he's about to face off with Unjengaye. So, guys, Unjengaye is about to have some competition for Unomfundo, and this is going to be an interesting one because definitely Upheteni is going to be able to notice it. Meanwhile, Upheteni's mother, Nengelosi Nolwazi Shange, she's the one Mamthembi is going to be playing Upheteni's mother. She is stepping into the fray as well. Their fractured relationship has Nengelosi determined to remind Phetheni of her past and open old wounds. She's plotting a comeback by sliding back into her life with ulterior motives. So it looks like, guys, Phetheni's mother is coming into the scene, but I like the way they painted the character. It looks like she's a very vindictive type of mother. So it looks like she's coming back into Phetheni's life to manipulate her. And listen to Phetheni, guys, her day, it looks like her day has finally come because Ngapa, guys, even her own mother is going to be entering the scene and basically taking her for a ride. I can't wait for this. Phenomenal actors, as I mentioned, and they're just going to take things to a whole new level. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.